Well, hello everyone. This is Kurt. I am live. I am totally live. This is not a recording. Yes, the first video today was an actual recording, but I did that on purpose because I wanted to make sure everyone got introduced to this system. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a little bit more of how to use PLR Stream with WP Dashboard Coach so you can create fast and quick products. So what I'm going to do here real quick though is I'm going to make sure that the stream is going out and make sure everyone can hear me. And it looks like the audio is going out, so that makes me happy. So if you want to comment, you can. I am here, so I will probably call you out if you do comment. I will, if you approve the process and allow me to see your name, then I'll go ahead and call you out whenever I do this. So we will go ahead and get things going here pretty quickly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my stream here real quick, or my screen. And you should be able to see the PLR stream catalog at this point in time. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for WordPress. And this is going to be WordPress trainings that you can quickly put into a WordPress plugin. Now we've got WordPress Training Kit Advanced, WordPress Training Kit, WordPress Affiliate System, Automation Secrets, WooCommerce, e-commerce, Engagement Boost, Optimizing WordPress, WordPress Security 2019. So there's pages and pages of this. Learn LMS course, install WordPress SEO, Surefire, on-page SEO blueprint, Softaculous, foolproof plugin design. So you have a good idea of seeing all of these trainings here with PLR Stream. Now, if you don't know what PLR Stream is, PLR Stream is a membership that allows you to they host all the videos for you. They have over 9,000 videos hosted there. And what this does is just gives you the embed code. You don't have to host it. You don't have to upload it. You don't have to do anything, but you can utilize this software to help you create your actual WP Dashboard Coach plugins quickly and easily without having to buy the actual PLR, download the PLR, upload it to your video hosting, then grab the embed codes after you design and set them up the way that you want. They've taken care of the first 3 or 4 steps for you. That's a huge plus. So let's go ahead and get back to that. So with WP Dashboard Coach, the one that we're going to be utilizing is probably going to be wide open, WP Dashboard Coach wide open. And the reason why I say that is because this one allows you to use iframe much more easier, or readily available and much easier to utilize. So we're going to come back over to PLR Stream. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to look at a couple of other, just look at a few of these. That's from 2017. Probably don't want anything that, your own autoresponder, that may not be bad. Let's go back to page 1. And what I'm going to do is just do let's see how many videos are in the affiliate system here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 videos. That's not bad at all. So we see the complete stuff right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click on login. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to let you see my beautiful face while I log in, so you don't see my username or password. So give me just a moment. I love doing things live. Here we go. Okay. So I'm going to share my screen again. And I'm actually going to go full screen. So now I've logged in. So we have, you can see that you could sell this product, be packaged with paid products and bundled, can be offered as a bonus, can be added to a monthly paid membership, training sites. You could put your name on the sales page. You can sell resale rights. You can stamp your name on the videos, but you cannot sell PLR of the videos. Here is the beautiful portion of it. You're not selling the PLR of the videos. You're going to be selling PLR for your actual video, your plugin here. And this plugin is yours. You created it full 9 yards, and you can sell that plugin and you can sell rights with that plugin. That is one of the nice things about that particular thought process here. So let me just refresh here. And just going to come down here. Okay, share my screen again. So here is the dashboard coach. And then here is PLR stream. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down and I'm just going to bring up Notepad++ just for my convenience. So I've got Notepad++ here. I'm going to copy the video title, come back over to Notepad, paste that in, copy the embed code, paste that in, come down to the next one, copy the title, give it a couple of spaces, copy the embed code, paste that in, come down to video 3, copy the video title. This is how quick that this can be. Copy the embed code, paste that in, copy the video title, copy the embed code, paste that in. And that's all I'm doing at this point in time in copying and pasting. And if that's too much for you, sorry, but this is probably the most push button it's going to be whenever it comes to creating your own plugins. So I'm going to arrow down a couple, copy the video title, paste that in, copy the embed code, paste that, copy the video title, paste that in, copy the embed code for video number 7, paste that in, another space there. And then video number 8, I believe is the last one. That's the sales video. So if you wanted to, you can grab this for your page, but you won't need it for the plugin. So for the plugin, you only need the 7. And then of course, if you wanted to, you could do this one. Totally up to you. You can grab it for your sales page. Once again, totally up to you. But I have the information that I need. So what I can do, and just to make things really simple, really easy, is I'm just going to put header tags around this. H3, that's all I'm wanting to do. So I'm just going to grab this, H3, boom, 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 boom. That's the opening of it. This is the closing of that tag. Paste, 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 paste. That's it. So now what you want to do after this is probably do a break. That's what that is. Open caret BR, close caret. And that puts just a space. This is what's called HTML. I mean, it's this simple. Once you understand what they're there for, we can utilize them time and time again. And we're going to do the exact same thing after each video. Put a break in. So basically, we have the complete HTML done. I mean, it's this simple. We have all of the embed codes. We have all of the titles. So what I need to do now is go into my particular site, my particular blog, and now you could do this with your own site, your own blog, your own anything, totally up to you. But I have a plugin that I utilize called WP Inserts. And what WP Inserts allows me to do is to create an actual blank page. It's an absolute total blank page. So I'm trying to get that to add there to the other tab, but it is not. So I'm just going to continue on. So let me pull this up real quick. Let me come up here and I'm going to grab the actual name, WordPress affiliate system. Come back over to my WordPress. That's going to be the title. I have WP inserts. All I'm going to do is I'm going to click on publish. Now, if I open this up in a new tab, there it is. Now, you're going to notice where it says sorry because of the privacy settings. Give it a moment. Boom, they're there. It had to check to make sure my domain is available to show these videos. That's all it needed to do. Did it once, it's good to go. So now we have all of the training videos and everything on this one page. Didn't take long now, did it? Let me try this. There we go. So any questions so far? Because this, like I said, this is simple stuff. So now what we're going to do is we're going to, we already have our WP dashboard coach. So what we can do is we can actually grab the name of that plugin, which is WordPress affiliate system. Minimize this. Give it a description. Give it a plugin URL, the version number, the author URL. Give this a random combination. It must start with a letter. So since this is going to be WordPress affiliate system, what I normally do is WAS, and then give it some numbers at the end. Doesn't matter. Enter your white label URL. That's my for the actual WordPress coach. White label name. I'm going to go ahead and click next. And now it's telling me right here, I can go ahead and iframe my information, what I want to do. But right here, you notice this beautiful, it's telling me what I can utilize right here. You can actually include this right into it, your anchor text, full 9 yards. When someone clicks on it, it will pull up the actual videos, full 9 yards. I don't want to pull up the video. What I want to do is actually iframe the actual page. So this is telling me what size that I need to do my iframe, 1200 by 900. So I'm just going to come right on over to iframegenerator.com. I'm going to grab my URL, which is this right here. And I'm going to paste this in. And then what size does it need to be? It's telling us 1200 by 900. So 1200, 900. We do want scroll bar, so we're going to put yes. Border, we're actually going to choose no. And now you can put a border color in if you wanted it, but I don't like the idea of borders. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on preview just to see what it looks like. And that's what it looks like right there. So once we have that, the 1200 by 900, click generate. Copy it, come right back over to this, open up the source code, paste it in, click OK. Boom. They are all there. Click Finish. We have now just created our first plugin utilizing this system. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to upload this to my WordPress. So once again, I'm going to pause the screen sharing. You're going to see my beautiful face, and we're just going to go right into it. So log in. Install now, activate the plugin. Oh, let me share my screen again. So the plugin has been activated. So if we come over to the dashboard, go to Home. What we can do, scroll down. There they are. Probably need to shrink them up some, but that shouldn't be too difficult to do. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually just edit the plugin. So let me minimize myself down here again. And I'm going to edit this. Takes me just a moment. Width 400. 100 by 12. How you doing? No, what I'm showing and training is about a new product that came out and how to utilize it with WP Dashboard Coach. Thanks for watching. I appreciate that. Okay, now that that's back, we're going to come over to Home and scroll down. So now we have those here, but we can also clean that up quite a bit. So if we go ahead and click play, we can view them, or I'm actually going to be coming out with another affiliate companion that you will actually show up here on the sidebar, which may be a little bit better. But this is still a very powerful 1-2 punch utilizing the actual PLR stream, which has all of the training videos, all of these systems that people have been selling. You don't have to download them. You don't have to upload them. On YouTube, you probably are. On my Facebook groups, I do have several other people watching. I send out to my YouTube channel at the same time. Appreciate it. So we can grab all those. We can add those in there. Now, keep in mind, you must whitelist the page that you're going to be uploading the videos to. So Crowley.link is my website. I created that. And then, of course, boom, I've created this plugin now. This plugin can be utilized in many different areas. And then you can actually sell your actual WordPress plugin. It doesn't take that long, like I said, to create a plugin. We just have to think about how we're going to be utilizing it and then move forward. That is the whole idea behind this whole system. So if we actually come over to the pages, I'm going to look at all the pages here real quick. We can actually edit down the size of the videos that we created. So I'm just going to come into the classic editor. And this, once again, totally up to you. So instead of the width being 640, we can actually lower that down to probably 400. And then once you make that change, you're just going to make that change for all of them, which will reduce the size of the videos. There's many different ways that we can utilize this. Now, if we choose update here, and we look at this, we're going to notice the videos are smaller. We come back over to the dashboard, we refresh, scroll down, boom, there's all the videos. Click on play, you can play it. You can even go full screen from it. All of the training videos right there, making life really easy for utilize to share out the training right on the dashboard of WordPress websites. So now that we can actually see everything that this is utilizing. So I'm going to pause that one. But yes, I'm still alive, Doug. And yourself? Oh, so yes, was able to actually create this relatively quickly. It doesn't take long. And if you wanted to make these changes prior to uploading, all you're going to be doing is looking for 640. If you highlight 640, you can see them all there. Just copy that, just do a Control F, replace 640 with 400. Replace all. Come back up to the top. Find, oh, let me come up to the top here. Okay. Oh, just go to normal. Find. There, it's found them all now. So now we can replace them all. This is being a pain in my keister today. I got to update it. I know that there's an update for it as well, but it takes just a couple of minutes. You've got all of these updated. Love doing things live. Things always change. Yes, in the form of audible words. I see what you're saying. Yes, I was actually thinking about a couple of things while I was trying to get this created there. So I'm actually going to do a little trick here, try to find out what the good spacing would be for a video being 400 width. And the best way that I know how to actually know that is I go into YouTube and I get the embed code, and you can actually change the sizes of it. You can go into advanced mode or developer sample, and it will tell you the actual sizes that you need to change it to. So it is a neat little trick that you can utilize. 16 by 9. So if it's 400, then it goes to 225. And that's what we're going to be putting for the height on all of these. Make life much better. Make it look more compact, makes it look much better on the actual screen. So I'm going to copy all that, come back over to my page that I was working on, and that's underneath the pages. See, things doing live is not as sexy as, just having it done, and then you just do an edit, and then you cut out all the ums and ahs and everything else. That's the whole idea that I like about doing things live. You get to see it raw. You get to see everything with no editing. It's in real life. That's the whole idea. So now We come back over to the dashboard, go to home, and scroll down. Looks much better. That's the way I wanted it to look. So now we have all the training videos right here. You're not hosting them. I'm not hosting them. Your customer's not hosting them. Oh yeah, the page that I'm editing, this one here. Yep. And which is nothing more than I copied and pasted the titles and the embed codes from PLR Stream's catalog. And then what I did is I searched for WordPress products, found one that I like, which was this WordPress affiliate system. And then these are the training videos. So copy the title, copy the embed code, copy the title, copy the embed code. And then, of course, once you have all of these copied, you're going to make sure that where you're going to be hosting these embed codes is whitelisted. You get 3. So I've got Crowley.link. I then created this actual plugin, and I know that we can actually make sure that the videos work elsewhere because this is using iframe generator, and we can see all the videos right here. So I know it will work. I know this whole process will work. You're hosting the videos on your domain, which is whitelisted. You're then iframing that page into this plugin, and then you're selling this plugin. It is that simple. So this is the actual 1-2 system that I'm talking about. It's taken less than 20 minutes, and this was tweaking some ideas at the same time. So you can actually have all of the videos right here on the dashboard. I don't want to see them anymore. You just minimize it. You want to see it? You open it back up. Play this video. Once it starts playing, you can make it full screen if you wanted to. This is a huge, huge, powerful system. It's a 1-2 punch using PLR Stream, WP Dashboard Coach, power. So if you guys need anything, do not hesitate to hit me up, and I appreciate that, Doug. It is a marvelous face. So I will let you all go, and I'll see you next time. And I will be doing more of these videos.